Hello guys, we're back to more videos and today we're going to play Crazy Zoo. So anyways guys, if you wanna see more videos on the channel, subscribe now.
Join me.
Yes, Algan Army.
Please subscribe to him.
Yes. If I get 600.
His name on YouTube is Algan Wolf.
Yes.
It's spelled It's spelled
E-L-D-R-A-I-A-N. And also minus, I don't know. Slash dash
Wolf
dash R
U
U R L L. Bro, I'm lagging. Help! I am lagging like a turtle. Okay, so subscribe right now. Bro, what happened?
Rejoin.
No. It's okay, I'm fine.
You went to the other side of the zoo.
I need to see. I'm rich. Wait, is it time or not? No, I'm rich! Why? Why always I have lose? No, I have $0. Give me my dollar.
You have 61 and I have 65.
Wait, where is it? Where's mine?
It's
Fire frog.
Go up.
I have 64. I'm rich. Yes. I want to buy, but I don't know. I need to buy one, but
Okay.
only.
Let's
Come on.
explore.
Yes, guys, let's explore.
Jump in the cave.
Okay. Baboon, baboon. Ugh. Can I touch that? Can I touch it? How dare you?
Why
That's
did you
it.
even touch it?
Yeah, I have a word for mistake.
You have.
How dare you? That's okay. Hey,
We buy a hot dog.
yes.
It costs $5, so
I don't want,
deal.
but I don't have, so I need to buy whatever I want. Only I will buy it later. So I don't want to waste that money because
Why is there a giraffe?
Because
here?
I wanted to ride now. Look at
It
me.
reminds me of the
I need to ride.
zoo that has
Hey,
the
look at me, look at me. Hey, look at me. Goblin. You look like Pirate
That
Frog.
giraffe reminds me of
Goblin, look.
zoo
Look at me. I'm so
a
laid down.
dinosaur holding a tree,
I'm laid down. Come on.
which is
Look at me.
which is a slide.
Why are you floating? Are you flying around? Why do you have wings?
Because I'm a bird.
What happened?
Because I'm a bird, of course.
Can I eat chips?
Yeah.
What's that, chips?
So
My God, I keep lagging so much. Stop lagging. I look like silly. Oh my God, it's a few. Oh no. Where is it?
jump inside.
Where? It's dangerous. Fine. Kiss me. Ah!
It doesn't eat you. It eats banda.
I can't even
Okay,
control
go
my.
in the front. It's not harmless.
Bro, are you sure? Or else? Good?
No.
If you or else?
Go to the monkey. Come here.
Where? What's that?
Go to the monkey.
Where's the gotta monkey?
Monkey.
But I don't know. It's dangerous. No. Hey, where? Hey, gorilla. Kiss me, gorilla. Kiss me. What? Did he even kill me? Can I?
Okay, come here.
Oh. Bro, stop lagging.
Okay, follow me.
Bro, why always lagging? I keep lagging for no reason, but I can't even control my tablet. Wait. Hey, what are you doing? Let's go.
Okay, this is the capybara.
Capybara. Can I go to the capybara? Can I?
It's cute.
Okay. Oh wait, did it even kill me? It's friendly. Okay. Wow. Bro, always lagging.
Look, I can ride on it.
Okay. Wait, I should just ride. Wait, there's so many bamboo. Okay, let's go to the other one.
I don't know if capybaras are related to bamboo, but
Yes.
they live in a jungle.
Yes.
But not in Japan or China.
Yes.
Though.
Japan or China?
They're not in Japan.
Yes.
They're in China.
I want to get a lot of dollars. I want to be a rich. I'm a rich guy. Hey. No.
Okay, we can sell it.
Wait, can I sell? How can I sell? Hey! Hey, what's that? Hey. What are you doing? Can I sell? I can't even sell. How did she do that? Okay, where's it? Giraffe? Can I get a giraffe? Did he even eat me? Come on, kiss me. Wait, can I kiss the butt? Butt? Can I kiss the butt?
It attracts me. Okay, follow me.
Where? Where? Who shoot it? Okay, come on, I wanna see. Cactus. The, why is it? It's not even working.
The cactus is in the jail. The cactus is in the jail. We look at
I'm going to look at